There are two network connections made available for AiSEMI one box, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Ethernet IP address and Wi-Fi IP address will both be on the screen when AiSEMI one box system is turned on. Link AiSEMI one box directly with computer via network cable. And turn on the power supply. Click the network settings icon in the lower right corner of the computer. Select network and internet settings. Change adapter options. Select Ethernet and click on Properties. Tick on Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties for further settings. Enter 192.168.100 and the value for N cannot be the same with those from AiSEMI one box. And then enter Tab for subnet mask to show up automatically and click New and OK to finish the settings. Open the browser and enter the URL 192.168.100.1. You can connect to the back end of the attendance system for settings. Turn on the power supply for AiSEMI one box. Click the icon in the lower right corner of the computer. Select corresponding AiSEMI and then type in password 123456789. Open the browser and enter the URL 192.168.881. You can connect to the back end of the attendance system for settings. Connect AiSEMI one box, router, and a computer with network cables. And turn on the power supply. In the case that the router is set as DHCP, AiSEMI one box will display automatic IP address when it is powered on. Click the network settings icon in the lower right corner of the computer. Select network and internet settings. Change adapter options. Select Ethernet and click on Properties. Tick on Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. And then tick Obtain an IP address automatically and OK to finish. Open the browser and enter the URL 192.168.0.103, the automatic IP address corresponding to the network address. You can connect to the back end of the attendance system for settings. Log in with the initial account. The initial user's name is admin. The initial password 1234. Please click the settings in the left column and go to General in the right screen. And then click Language to select a specific language from the drop-down menu. Click Submit when you finish the previous steps. Click Settings option in the left column. Click Network option on the right side of the screen. Select Wireless or Ethernet from New Network Type option. Select DHCP or Static for IP type. The factory default IP address is 192.168.1.0.0.1. Please enter 1 to modify it according to the actual status. The values of mask and DNS are default and cannot be modified. Gateway, please enter the actual gateway address. When you select network type as wireless, please enter your SSID and password. Click Submit when corresponding settings are complete. Click the Settings option in the left column. The Date Time option on the right side of the screen. To select NTP time, please click NTP, or to specify the time and time zone manually, please click Manual for further settings. The default NTP server is 3 pool NTP org. NTP server does not need to be filed in by default. It can be filled in according to the actual state if needed. Click to select a specified time zone from the drop-down menu. Date time can be filled in according to the actual status if there is any need. Select Manual first and then modify it. Click to select a date format from the drop-down menu. Click to select a time format from the drop-down menu. Click Submit when the settings are complete. Before establishing employee data, please complete the employee's face photo by taking, retaking, or scanning photo, and then crop the front face portion, save as either JPG or PNG format. Click the Settings option in the left column. The General option on the right side of the screen. Enable support USB import-export function in the system first. Submit and wait for completion. Create an import folder within AiSEMI folder in the USB. Import personal photo files, JPG or PNG format, in import folder and set the file name as personal name. Connect the USB to the machine. Refresh the backend system. The photos will copy to Import Done folder in the machine. For more details, please check AiSEMI One Box manual. Thank you.